Hello friends, this is Carrie from PhotoBook pHaNaTiC, and I'm happy to share with you today the recipe for this super cute turquoise and yellow flower themed photo page that I made using Shutterfly media. This particular page was featured in both my PhotoBook pHaNaTiC design technique videos for aesthetics and engagement. You might want to check those out after you watch this so you can have a better understanding of why I chose this color combination and how my design is engaging, which is the main mechanism for how the reader makes a connection with the people or event in the photos, thereby creating a memory from just reading a photo book. Now, before we get started, let me just give you a quick view of other PhotoBook page recipes I have created using Shutterfly so you can see all that I have to offer. I have a beach-themed recipe, a mountain climbing, hiking, outdoorsy recipe. Happy New Year! A vintage historical themed recipe that's a dark blue with red and white. And one of my personal favorites, I have a recipe for you to create this table of contents page, which is an awesome way to create engagement on the very first page of your photo book. Okay, let's go back to the photo page we're going to be talking about today. And to start off, the background that I used is called Starburst Blue. If you're wondering how I found that, you go to Backgrounds, click up here to get more backgrounds. For this particular page, you can just type in Starburst. They all come up. These have been highlighted because, of course, I've used them. For you, this green check would not exist, so you would simply click on it. It would highlight it in a red square. Then you would click on Add to Project, and it would pop up over here on the left-hand side. All right, let's talk next about this ribbon that's going across the bottom. To do that, you click on Embellishments, Ribbons, and this particular ribbon is called Ornate Yellow. Now I'll tell you, if you search for ornate or ornate yellow, it will not pop up. So unfortunately for this one, you're going to have to search just for the color yellow. So you would go Embellishments, get more ribbons, you would type in the color yellow. You're going to get a lot of options. What I always do is I kind of go through and I click on the ones that I think look closest to what I want. So maybe click on 4 or 5, click on Add to Project. They'll pop up at the bottom with their names. Unfortunately, when you do the search, you don't get the names, so you're not really sure if you're clicking on the right one. Just click around 5 or 6, and then you'll find the one that you want. Okay, next thing we're going to talk about is going to be the stickers. So Embellishments, Stickers, and the first one that we're going to be doing is the circle that is orange on the bottom. It's on top of the ribbon. Here it is. This is called Cut Circle Satsuma. Satsuma is the name of the color. That's another trick that you can use with Shutterfly Media. If there's a particular color that you really like, maybe you're working with the tricolor theme that I like to do, you can search for that color. It will give you all of the embellishments that exist in the color. You can do the same thing with the ribbons. So to find this one, if you don't have it, you click on Embellishments. We're already on Stickers. Click the plus sign to get more stickers. In the search box, I'm going to type in Satsuma, which is the color. It's going to give me all my options, and here it is right here. It's right at the top. And you'll notice that I had offset that circle a little bit, so it's not fully on the page. Part of it is hanging off. I did that intentionally. All right, and then this little text here, this best travel moments, this is a sticker. It's not a text box, and the title for it is called Type Moments. And this was placed on top of this yellow flower, which is called Sunburst Pineapple. And then over here in this upper right-hand corner, we've got this little filigree diamond. This is called Ornate 2 Yellow. And if you're interested in knowing the framing that I used, go to Embellishments, Frames, and the color that I chose was Frost Medium Line. And I just have one text box on this page. I double click here. This was done in Coquette, regular size, or I'm sorry, regular font, size 20. The color is Park Night. So that's all you need to create this eye-catching photo book page. Don't forget to check out my other PhotoBook Fanatic recipes, or if you're curious what goes into photo page design, be sure to watch my videos on randomizing, aesthetics, and engagement. Thanks for watching and happy shutterflying!